I am Jyoti, working in Arvindo Vidya Mandir, handling UKG class.
I'm handling UKG English, and this is the month of November, and the children are able to write, read, as well as do creative writing effectively.
I am Nagaratna T, Secretary, Gnanadeepa Vidya Mandira School, Chitradurga.
Since 1995, I am working in this school, and I was handling 8 to 10 years. I was handling UKG. It was very difficult for us to handle UKG children. Earlier, it was very difficult for us to handle UKG classes. They used to by heart the spellings, that too only 10 to 15 words and only one sentence end of the year. It was very difficult for them to read the sentence and by heart the spellings also.
We did not have a set curriculum, and we had to refer many books. In the sense, everything was not there in one book. So for words, we had to search for words. They did not have the correct vocabulary. They did not know where to put which word. They only had 3-letter words and few sight words. So the sentence also, they could hardly read few sentences. But now the vocabulary is vast. So it's easy for us to teach them. They are even able to, they put 2 and 2 together and come up with other sentences as well.
They can't read English. They have to mug up all the words, and which all the words they can mug up, those words only they can learn in that period.
Without any difficulty, they are able to read 150 or 200 words.
Once we started using this, the results were, we could see the result on the students. They were able to pick, they were able to say the word clearly, and plus their vocabulary, I think they're able to pick up many words. Apart from what is given in the book also, they're able to come up with many words, and they immediately start making sentences. So everything they want to put the words together, the sight words and the words, and they start making sentences on their own. So that was immediately after the first lesson. After we finished the first lesson, we could see what level they're in.
They can read words which are all not in this textbook.
Now, after using this phonic kit, and by understanding the sentence and words, they are writing, and we are very happy for this. Yes, teachers also, they were coming and blaming the others. We don't want to use this method. But after 3-4 months, we are very happy with this method, and it is very, very easy for the teachers and the children also, and it is very helpful for us.
Yes, they had initially they were very apprehensive because the book looks easy, but then they were really wondering whether they could finish all this, and they could teach if they could teach whatever is here to the students. So initially they were apprehensive, but once the academic year started, it just went with the flow, and they just it was very easy for them. They felt it was quite easy. So the next year they were just looking forward to using this book the following year.
Which teachers, they come as new teachers to our school, they don't know phonics, they will oppose, they are used to traditional method. We have to convince them. After they are taking the classes, and when children are learning fastly, and they will become perfect in reading words with phonics, then she will become comfortable.
After completing nursery education, when they go to first standard, earlier it was very difficult for those primary teachers to handle these nursery kits. But after using this phonic kit, we are not at all getting any complaint from the primary teachers, and teachers also very happy, parents also very happy, and our admissions also improved from compared to earlier year.
For teachers, they were really proud by the time the academic year was over, because last year we've been following this book in the primary section, and they were really proud of what they achieved, because the children could read, write, do creative writing effectively, and they could come up with a lot more. They could read anything that was available. Even the hoardings, the parents were very proud to say that they can read the hoardings, they can read the newspaper. So the parents were quite happy, and I think this really helped get recognition to the school.
It's not necessary to do any syllabus planning when we are following Lalita Appachu madam's book. In other than English, we have to plan yearly, monthly and weekly. Plan must be there. What to do this day, we have to tell to the teacher. In English, when they come to the class, they will go to next page. That's all. So other than that, they want nothing help.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely I will refer.